Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love. Cool down, my love.
We have arrived in Vis. It's lovely, but we've been to a restaurant where you saw that we ate their traditional paka food. Now we're going to the beach. It's not super hot. It's about 4:30 p.m. now, so we're gonna go and explore, and then we're gonna watch the sunset from one of the beaches that our host recommended, and then tomorrow we have our boat tour.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah.
Good morning. We just woke up, we ate some breakfast, and now we're going to our boat experience for the day. We're gonna go on a sailing boat, we're gonna see the island.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we knee deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind, and I'm ready to go get out while we're whole. Now take my advice, take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. It takes some time, even though it's just a smile, but I hate it when I'm faking. With you all night in a body that ain't mine, thinking I am gonna burst. You and I are falling behind, and I'm ready to go get out while we're whole. Now take my advice, take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean blue, the ocean. I wanna leave and finally be free. Free of all our expectations. No more couple invitations. I wanna let go. I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean blue, the ocean. Do you watch it all drift off like feathers in the wind? Do you think about pretended I'm not here. All I seek is some honesty, a stray of light in my darkest fears. I know you know, I know you don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. Did you play your part, hand too hard? Yeah, did you let me in? At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want.
This is officially the most relaxing thing I've ever done. I'm currently on a paddleboard. I'm paddleboarding to another beach. We've just been there, but we left. And we have to bring the paddleboard back because we only got it for 2 hours, but it's been amazing. This is hands down better than the boat, better than a sailboat, better than anything. You just sort of float on the water and you just are, like, you just, it's so hard to explain. It's so peaceful. It's like the most mindful thing I've ever done. And you just like one with the water. And now we're going back. This is our last day on Vis, so we have to go back to the mainland, but it's been absolutely amazing. And now I'm gonna paddle back to these guys because I'm behind.
But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Oh, won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall, dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to getting the things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you.